they always asking what is the difference. I mean, if I learn from some vendor about SDN, they have this one. I said that SDN is not only about the automations, okay, but at least we have like 6 different categories. Means that you have the virtualizations, you have the automations, and then the most important actually it should be like vendor agnostics. Mean that you don't care about the hardware, okay, as long you are running the same software, so you'll be able to run. Yeah, we deliver all the messages, but of course there is still somebody follow the other directions, but I cannot stop them for doing it, okay. But for me, I still want to keep talking or keep passing the information. This is the SDN that I know. Yeah. If you want to learn the SDN, my advice is go to the Clean Slate project from Standard University about the initial version of SDN, including the open flow. And then in terms of the hands-on, right? No other way learn Linux. Okay, because now everything in software, okay, everything can be emulated, so, and most of them is running on Linux. So if you don't have any understanding about the Linux, especially how the Linux networking is working, how the virtual Ethernet, how the virtual IP and all those things, so it will be very difficult to learn the current SDN. Yeah.